everyone, welcome to My Green Niche. Right now, the situations are not so good due to this pandemic. We cannot go out and have fun, so why not bring fun into our home in this lockdown? So today, I am going to talk about some fun activity that you all can do in your home. And if you are a beginner, I will recommend to start with this edibles. I'm sure if you try this, it will not only be a fun activity but also a learning session. Also, you don't need to go out and buy anything. I'm sure everything will be available in your kitchen. So today we are going to plant some edibles from scraps. So let's see. So first in my list is pudina, or also called as mint leaves. So when you buy a bunch from a vegetable vendor, instead of throwing away the cuttings, why not grow them? So after removing the leaves from the cuttings or stems, propagate the cuttings in water, and after a few days you will be able to see the root growth. Later you can transfer them in soil. Now for me it took around 1 week for the roots to develop. And make sure to change water every 2 to 3 days. Now you will get to know why to change water every 2 to 3 days. Watch the video till the end so you will get to know what I am saying. Always make sure to start with multiple cuttings as there are chances that few might not survive. Now before planting my cuttings in soil, I like to first moist the soil. So after putting the water in the soil, you just have to snip the stem in the soil like I am showing in the video. And I am also making a fresh cut. Keep the soil moist and keep the pot in a bright spot with good amount of indirect sunlight after you have planted all the cuttings in a pot. Keep changing water regularly or you might see mosquito larvae in water. I forgot to change my water and this is what happened. The second in my list is tomato. Take a well-ripe tomato, cut into half and you will be able to see the seeds. Remove the seeds and put around approximately 20-25 seeds in a small size container. I will recommend to start in a paper cup. Randomly just spread some seeds and cover it with soil. That's it. Start the seeds in the paper cup or any small size container. Later, when the seeds germinate, transfer one or maximum two plants in a big size pot. Tomato plant needs good sun, so keep in an area where it can get good sunlight. Tomato seeds will germinate within 5 days, but for the plant to mature and start giving fruits, it might take 3 to 4 months. Now put water gently so that the seeds don't wash out. Third in my list is Lemon. Nowadays it's very easy to grow lemon in a container. Lemon has lots of beneficial uses too. You just have to remove seeds from the lemon itself and put it in soil. You can directly sow lemon seeds in a big container only if you are confident enough. Don't overwater if you are directly sowing seeds in a container, big container. Or else you can start in a paper cup. If you are starting in a paper cup, just put 3 to 5 seeds. And if you are starting in a paper cup, there are less chances of overwatering. And if you overwater, then there are chances that the seeds might get decomposed instead of germinating. Lemon seeds might take more than 15 days to germinate, so be patient. Growing lemon plant from seeds requires patience because it might take a year for the fruit. Now fourth in my list is chili. Take any chili which is available in your kitchen, but take a mature chili which is bigger in size. Dry it out a little bit in sun and you just have to remove the seeds and sow them in soil. Now again you can start the chili seeds in a paper cup. I have directly sown seeds in a big pot as I didn't had anything small. So once the seeds germinate, you can transfer 1 or 2 plants in a bigger pot. Now seeds will germinate within 5 to 7 days. But you will get chilies after 2 to 3 months. So remove the seeds. Remove the seeds and approximately 20-25 seeds you can sow in the soil. Now put little bit of soil just so that the seeds get covered well. Now water the pot gently so that the seeds don't wash out. Now fifth in my list is chana. You can grow chana, or also called as horse gram, as a microgreen. I ended up growing horse gram is because of the pest who destroyed the whole packet of my horse gram. I did not wanted to throw it, so I put it in soil. You will get the small microgreens which you can use it in your salads or for garnishing. Now I had planted them in 2 containers, but in 1 container it did not do well. You can even let it mature and use it as a leafy vegetable. Now this is the clip after 5 to 6 days. This is the tomato which have germinated. The seeds have germinated. These are the chili. Chili seeds have also germinated. And this is pudina or mint leaves. So few stems have established well and few stems have died. So this is the reason you have to start with multiple stems, because few stems might not do well. And this is the lemon. So lemon seeds have not yet germinated, but it might after 10 to 15 days. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like my video, do give a thumbs up and do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.